Hello everybody, Peter here, and I'm doing a opening for another mass drop. This time it's novelty keycaps, and we're opening them up, and here we go. We have our first one, enter button. We have our next two. Picked up a, pull it out of the package. Picked up a mustachio key for our escape key, hopefully. There we go. Oop, wrong way. Perfect. And we picked up a cat. Somebody enjoys the attention a lot. Our third keycap was another one, and it's going to be my escape key, since we moved and just kind of the way it went. I had a box with specialty keycaps in it, and I can no longer locate it. I was using a custom 3D printed Dota 2 keycap that I made as my current escape key, but that fell off, so now it's just me putting these nice 3 keycaps back on. So we'll be switching them out. I don't have my keycap puller, so bear with me on this one. We will get through this. No issue. By the way, this is my cat. Her name is Mishka. She likes to harass the dog and loves to be a lap cat. But here we go. Here's our good one. Hopefully they fit. Much better.